Furry! I love further confusion. We all do. We all love further confusion.
Ready? And go.
Yeah, feel free to message me if you're done.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Always one way to get videos from you guys.
Yeah. You are being perceived. All of you are being perceived. You have also been perceived, and you also have been perceived. Hi. And then Tech has also been perceived again. Hi. Camera. Discovered. Wow, huge.
Oh my god, it's a kite.
The apple. Zawarudo, I see. It is indeed Clippy. That is awesome. Thank you so much. Any with any pop-ups you do, because 100% you're installing all good things.
If you see like a purple ape, definitely hit OK for that one.
I love the install wizard. Super awesome. You two look amazing. Thank you so much. We out here. We out here. Confusion 2025. Yeah. Boop. Awesome. Thank you. Super cute. And whoa. The uppies. Awesome. Thank you. Wow. Wonderful. Wow, that's crazy.
Small raccoon.
Meow. Hug. Ah. Love it. Thank you so much. Hey, this is a family-friendly stream. Live, caught on 4K. Oh. Super cute.
Subscribe to Kai's channel, bro.
Love it. Thank you so much.
Get the best moment. Start cooking, man.
Delicious carrot. Love that. Thank you so much. Ready? Go! Is that the kotetsu? Hi!
Can I have a hug?
Hug, yay!
Oh my god. Are you live right now?
Yeah, I am.
Oh my god. Hi, chat.
We are indeed live.
I would be in chat right now, but I'm here.
Oh, I'm glad you're here though. It's a really awesome con.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Yay! Perfect, thank you. I like how you constantly turn around so I can never get you in frame. Like I like was spinning around you for like a good 30 seconds and you're just turning around honestly. Who knows why it works that way? Oh, there's another one of them.